What's up guys, AK with you today. I'm continue video step by step decoder installation. This is Genesis Athearn, the first generation when the box was yellow, almost like color like this, and dark blue. So those great models with very nice motors too. Those to me like Rocco. So you saw the first part, opening the engine, and I'm not streaming it because every time I'm doing streaming with installation, it's something happening. So we just go about 10, 12 minutes videos. So I'm going to use decoder body. That's a good example. First of all, customer, I'm using ESU, just regular 21 pin decoder, and the customer decided to go with the sound. It's ready to go, just need to find the speaker space for speaker, and install the speaker, swap the decoder, program it to the file of that locomotive. Done deal. So today we're going to install decoder body right here. To mount decoder body or any mounting, I'm using that tape. It's I believe it's Scotch, usually selling Home Depot. Not sure about guys in Canada, but Home Depot or like stores like this, that's what they selling there in paint department. Yeah, that's kind of a little bit crazy. Anyway, so I'm in the next video I will show how I'm doing custom lenses and installing lenses into the shelf, like headlights and rear lights. Here we just get rid of the original board and keep it just in case we may maybe use it for something, other installations. Without the board, it's DC though, but helps you maybe for some future projects again. Yeah, I don't think so there is any modification. Well, actually, look, it's a good question. Now, let's get my cutters. Since I'm going to use my custom lenses, I don't need those original, and I'm not using definitely those wires. So you can just, and definitely we'll talk about that tape. So that actually I can just take those plugs. I don't like. It's plug and play, guys, but if you're serious in the future for modeling, you're probably not gonna use them. So if you see my hands on the way, but that's the best I can do for you guys. So taking those plugs, I can edit video of course, but you just see the real progress. Yeah, those plugs not good. Under them it can be oxidized film or something. Yeah, that's hard to get rid of them. Okay, not messing around. Sometimes they going quick, but this is not good. I'm just cutting them out here. Okay, I took this, but I'll just cut it. Okay, those are from I believe rear lights, and I'm doing the same. I'll try to take them. Yeah, got them. Oh man, tough. Depends again. I'm soldering. If I'm using like boards, sound decoders, I'm soldering everything to the pads, because again, different materials, metals can be really working like against each other, create some oxidized film. Oh boy, tough. Okay, we'll take this out later. Taking the motor leads. I don't care about polarity right now because I'm going to check it with decoder anyway. Okay, Get rid of those guys, don't need it. Okay, decoder body, that helps tremendously later. Okay, and right, so I'll take those, because I want to take those walk with the steps and everything, just pull it up before we're going to continue. So just free those wires, and I need to cut them, I don't need them. Those single wires, sometimes I'm using, but you can save them, no problem. See, it's really messy. Okay, now I can take this easy, I think. When I'm saying easy, it's not really. No, I'm just kidding. Kidding. Okay, don't need those guys. All right. So cool. Now I free already those guys. Now I need to take that tape. Tape is bad. Maybe this is maybe not. No, it's bad. It's not good. It's kind of starting disintegrated. Some stuff leaving residue. Not good. And I'll show you what you need to use. Now it's pulling a little bit. Yeah, not good. Not electrical tape, not Kapton tape for that purposes. Electrical tape for different purposes. And this is just like office tape. Whatever it is. Ah, man. Well, I understand that. I try to make it a little bit less expensive, but it's just not good. All right. That tape, don't want to really waste your time, guys, on this, but that tape is on the bottom, not sure, kind of protecting from the wires going down. I'll put Kapton tape, okay? But now, let me take this tape out, and we put one Kapton tape. Nice. A little bit struggling. That doesn't wanna break. See, that's what I'm saying. It's unpredictable result. Really no fun. Yeah, it's leaving some residue again. Not good. Okay. What? Like they roll those. What's the name? Lights, wires. I prefer cut it to exactly size. Okay, I think we should be good here, yeah, for the decoder body. But actually, I'm going to extend those wires right here with my Miniatronics. They very good wires. I have no problem. But I'll extend them here and here. We'll do it probably in the next video. And let's just finish with oh boy. Whew. Yeah, clean it nice. Get job done. Yeah, cut that. Ooh. Nasty. Alright, yeah. So definitely I need I extend those wires also here. And now the main thing. And remove the board and install decoder body. Okay, the same thing issue with El Cheapo. I understand that. Try to save money, but it's not. Some of the stuff just useless because it's, again, I'm repeating myself, that sticky material disintegrated over the years, and boom, it's just like sitting there, you know. Okay, I will show you only I'm covering this spot. So that this is my Kapton tape right here. Okay, I'll cut it about a little bit more than an inch, something like that. Okay, stick here. You may see, like, if you watching some, I think you're using like in the space station or something. This is good stuff, no questions. So to prevent wires catching, right, I'll put this right here, right in the middle, like that. That will be just fine. A little bit longer. Cut it like that. Yep. Kapton tape. No substitute. Okay. Clear and nice. So those wires not going down anyway. Taking my, actually, okay, decoder body doesn't have those holes. No, my understanding, it's not really necessary. So just get rid of my extra stuff to keep clean. Yeah. So what you need, lose those wires. We'll do like better cable management, no question about it. And I have where are they? Hello. Plastic cutters. Tamiya. I probably show you 100 times, but yeah, just a little bit. And then I'm not cutting through, I just kind of just squeeze. Now I can cut nicely. Yeah, if you're not doing that kind of pre-cut, it can, because this part is, it's kind of older too, you know, from older plastic, but holding very well. But it can be break. Yeah, so it's, see, it's cutting in a different location, just following my first pre-cut now. Okay, so I'll put decoder body here, so space will be for speaker. It's plenty of space because my headlights closer and ditch lights to this plug. Okay, let me cut that thing more. Here we go. That's perfect. Some extra stuff. Done. Yeah, it's flat. Here's a little bit like a corner going, but that's no problem. I don't worry about it. I just use like that. Close to here. No, that should be fine. Yeah, okay. We'll finish soon. Okay, taking my, yeah, I'm not using the whole roll, no. I just use the size of this length that. Make a little bit nicer. Need to be really using good sharp scissors or knives, whatever. Okay, put it here. Great. Yeah, it's sticky. If you're thinking it's some oil on top, this one is clean. I knew it. But some oil, you need to definitely take them some alcohol. Wow. Yeah, sometimes sometimes it's tough to remove. Where's my glove? Yeah, sometimes it's really tough to take that protection. Yeah, it's good. It sticks very, very good. That actually shows you how it sticks, good or not. Better do it on the engine, because for example on the other side, like of the speaker, it can be really messy. See? Oh, it sticks great. Ooh, nice. But piece of some oil, or yeah, if it's not clean, it can be really ruined. So you need another one. So I turn it my side so I see, make sure it's totally in the center. It is. Boy, yeah, you can pull it up. All right, let's look at the board. No, I don't think so. You can really use that stuff because no, not really. Maybe older engine, you want to make DCC again, maybe for reselling purposes, which is, I'm not seeing really purpose of it, but yes, there is not easy to make that thing available. Just not worth it to make it like prepare for DCC decoder. I'm like using this instead of that. Remodeling will be completely just wasting time. All right, so those guys going to the motor and etc. And we'll continue in the next video. Next step, decoder and custom lights. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. Here's our Patreon page if you want to support YouTube channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.